In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, facilities management implemented additional cleaning and disinfecting procedures to protect students, faculty, and staff as they return to campus. With guidance from the CDC, California Department of Public Health, the County of San Diego, and Environment, Health and Safety, we trained our custodial staff on the appropriate cleaning and disinfecting procedures and protocols. To ensure that people can wash their hands frequently per CDC recommendations, custodial staff fills soap dispensers and restock supplies routinely in restrooms, kitchenettes, and other areas with sinks. We will continue to pay special attention to cleaning and disinfecting high-touch surfaces in all common areas and public spaces, including entrance doors and handles, lobby and interior elevator buttons, drinking fountains, light switches, doorknobs, sinks, faucets and countertops, and desktops in conference rooms, computer labs, research labs, study rooms, classrooms, and auditoriums. We clean and disinfect restrooms, including all touch points and fixtures. We perform regular quality assurance inspections to ensure that staff are following proper cleaning and disinfection protocols and using required personal protective equipment while they perform tasks. We installed hand sanitizer dispensers at entrances to buildings, classrooms, and auditoriums. Facilities management stocks sufficient supplies and equipment to keep campus facilities cleaned, sanitized, and well-stocked with all essential products. We purchased new electric disinfectant sprayers and electrostatic backpack sprayers to disinfect large areas quickly and efficiently. Look for signs posted at main building entrances to inform occupants if a positive COVID-19 exposure may have occurred. For details about our enhanced cleaning procedures, visit fm.ucsd.edu.